In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the Xbox Series S HDMI port. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present some simple troubleshooting and some hardware troubleshooting steps that you can do to fix your HDMI port on your Xbox Series S. First, for simple troubleshooting, check the connections. It might seem simple, but sometimes when you plug in an HDMI cable, it simply wasn't snug or fit enough. So press on the cable, make sure that it is securely plugged into the Xbox and the TV or any other device. Alternatively, try using a different HDMI cable if you can, because sometimes the current one could be damaged. Afterwards, restart the Xbox. A simple restart could make sure that the console detects the cable and make sure that the connection is stable and active. Next, go into the display resolution by going over into the settings, display and sound, video output, and change the resolution. Once you do, you will be able to see if any updates were made and if the connection was properly established. Now, for the hardware troubleshooting, first, inspect the HDMI port. Unplug the current HDMI cable that you are using and look closely inside of the port. See if you notice any physical damage inside of the port, such as bent or broken pins, and if you see anything of the sort, the pins need to be replaced. It is easier to replace the whole HDMI port, and while it is a process that you can do on your own, it is better to consider leaving it to a professional. Now, alternatively, there could also be some dirt, debris, or some lint inside of the port. If that is the case, you can use a pair of tools to get them out of there and see if the connection is properly established afterwards. And once again, if you are comfortable, you can try opening up the console to inspect the HDMI port from inside. Besides these hardware troubleshooting steps, there's not much that you can do. It mostly boils down to the cable that you are using and whether or not the HDMI port is experiencing any sort of damage or there is something blocking the connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Series S HDMI port. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.